Hello everyone, my name is Arya. I'm a student of civil engineering at Majaya, and today I would like to talk about recycled material and their connection to civil engineering. Focusing on one interesting example is plastic waste recycled into a paving block. This topic is very important because recycling is not only helps reduce waste, but it also supports sustainable construction for the future. And then, what is a recycled material? First, let's understand what a recycled material means. A recycled materials is a substance that has been reposed of reuse after its initial life cycle, instead of being thrown away. Waste materials are transformed into a new useful product. For the example, is plastic, glass, metals, or even construction debris can be collected and processed and used again. Recycling helps solve natural resource, reduce pollution, and minimize landfill waste. And then connection between recycled material and civil engineering. Now, how does this relate to civil engineering? The civil engineering focus on a design and constructing buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. This project require large amount of material such as concrete, asphalt, and steel. By using recycled material, civil engineering can reduce the environmental impact of construction, lower costs, and promote sustainability. For the example, recycled concrete can be used as a grader for a new roads, and recycled plastic can replace part of the sand or cement in construction materials. So, recycling is not only about waste management, it's also a key part of green construction. And then, I want to choose the example is a plastic waste, because the plastic waste can be recycling into a paving block. It's one of great example of recycled material in civil engineering, because this is plastic waste. Yes, plastic waste. Plastic waste can be recycled paving block into a paving block. Plastic waste, especially from packaging and bottle, is one of the biggest environmental problems today. By melting and mixing this waste with the sand, it can be turned into strong, durable paving block. This process reduces plastic pollution and provides an alternative building material that is both useful and eco-friendly. And then, what is a function, or what is a means of the paving block? So, what exactly is a paving block? A paving block is a piece of construction material used to cover outdoor surface such as roads, sidewalk, and parking area. Traditionally, paving blocks are made of concrete. However, with the rise of recycling technology, they can now be made from waste material like plastic. In civil engineering, paving blocks are very important because they provide durable, easy to maintain surface, and they allow water to infiltrate the ground and reducing flooding. And then, step to make plastic waste into a paving block. The process of making a paving block from the plastic waste is quite simple and can be done even on a small scale. There are three main steps, right? The one step is collection and cleaning the plastic waste such as bottles, and the packaging is collected, washed and dried. Number two is melting and mixing. The plastic is melted and mixed with sand to form a thick, consistent mixture. And number three is molding and cooling. The mixture is poured into a mold, pressed and allowed to cool into a solid block. And then after cooling, the paving blocks are ready to use. They are lightweight, durable, and water resistant, perfect for many civil engineering applications. And I want to explain the condition before and after using a plastic from a paving block. Before the introduction of the plastic-based paving block, most pavement use concrete materials. While concrete is strong, it has a high carbon footprint and often requires mining of natural sand and gravel, which can damage the environment. It's not good. And in a contract plastic paving block, often several advantage. They reuse waste material, reduce plastic pollution, and can lower construction costs. In the future, if more cities adopt eco-friendly paving blocks, we could see cleaner environments, reduce flooding, and more sustainable infrastructure development. This innovation represents a small but powerful step toward a greener planet. Yes, it's good. And then the conclusion to conclude recycled material play an important role in modern civil engineering. Using waste plastic to make a paving block is not only a smart recycling method, but also a solution that benefits the environment and society as a future engineering and responsible citizen. We should continue to inform and support sustainable material in construction. Thank you for your attention. This is me, Ahmed Wijaya. Thank you.